Hey friends, Kat right here. So I'm so excited for this video because I am showing you how to wrap arborvitaes. Arborvitaes are a wonderful evergreen that grows very tall, they grow very thick, and wonderful for borders. We have 11 of them right along the fence line. I mean, you don't have to wrap arborvitaes, but I do it because I love them. I want to keep them safe. And so yeah, let's get this job done. Stick around. Okay, so you can see this branch here. I'm pretty sure I killed that with some Killzall, so you gotta be careful with that stuff because it will kill anything. So when you're wrapping arborvitaes, gotta just take a look at this tree, pull down, see if the snow caught on the top of that and pulled it down. Could weigh it down and just injure those trees, be damaged for good. So you just want to look at each tree, see where that has those weak limbs and where it's going to be best to put on some wraps. So I am using A.M. Leonard burlap tree wrap. This tree wrap is fairly thin, which is exactly why I want it. It isn't super thick. We can just wrap it around that, and then in the springtime we can pull it off and throw it away. Wrap it around where the lowest weak limb is, tuck the bottom end underneath itself a few times, spiral it like a candy cane, then tuck the top end underneath itself a few times. Easy as that. So I have gotten 5 of the 11 arborvitaes wrapped. And you can see they are pretty messy looking, but once I was done with them, I kind of pulled on the limbs and they all felt pretty tight. So this is not a beauty show for those things. Let's get those other ones done. Well, I have 3 more left to go, but it's getting kind of cold, so let's get this done. Okay, well, don't judge me, those things are not pretty. They are definitely doing the job, but they look a little messy. So if you want to keep your arborvitae safe like I do, then definitely wrap them. This wrap that I got off of Amazon, I'll put the link below because it's great stuff. I've used it for many years. So don't forget to like and subscribe, work hard, play hard. Have a wonderful day.